Well, hello, YouTube and my 94 subscribers. Woohoo! Thank you very much. It is June 10th, 2024, Monday morning. Yay. It is what it is. Anyway, just got home, got through eating, and checked a couple of YouTubes and decided to get this out of the way right quick before I go to bed because I'm tired. It's been a long one. Yeah, by the time I got through getting everything done and swung by and grabbed some food, brought it home and chowed down, and yeah, it's time. Ready to call it a day and go to sleep and forget the world exists. It is what it is. Anyway, I went and picked up a credit card at the virtual mailbox place. They got it in, and I went and picked it up. I got to take and get a name added to it, and actually I think I'm going to add 2 names to it and give them both access to pick my mail up. Be kind of good to have some family be able to do that for me, especially when I get over there. So, yay. Why does it seem to take so much energy to get things done anymore? I remember I was talking about them bloody kids when the power went out last week. And yeah, I am envious of children. An adult, we go crawl in bed and try to go to sleep, and everybody looks at us like we've lost our mind. You know? But everybody tries to put a kid to sleep, so if a kid actually was to go to sleep and lay down and go to sleep, we're ever running around, we're going, shh, asleep, baby's asleep. But let an adult do that, they look at us like we're crazy. I think the kids got it lucky and got it right, because they get to take in, keep their batteries charged. And they really do get to charge their batteries. I mean, 5 minutes of sleep for a baby, they're up for 10, 15 hours. It's like they just walk past the bed and they get energized. What is up with that? Anyway, it is what it is. But yeah, saw a kid out today, and while I was out at the grocery store, his mom was just wore out. And that kid was like pinging all over the place, bouncing around everywhere. Duct tape is a good babysitter. I'm serious. It does work. Yeah. Duct tape them up and leave them laying in the floor. Folks won't like it, but hey, it works. And when you're too tired to chase them down, well, duct tape works. I know, I'm not politically correct. Oh, and I already pulled my teeth out. Yeah. Got them cleaned up and put up, and I'm done with them for today. I'll put them back in when I go to work tonight. Actually, the uppers are okay. I got a couple of spots I need to have them do a little bit of touch up on, but I actually managed to keep them in from before going to work till, all the way till I got back home here today. So actually had my teeth in for 12 hours plus. Ready to call it though. But them bottom ones, there's like 5 really bad places on that those things are pinching and pushing and hurting. I'm not going there with that. That hurts. I'm not going to tolerate that much pain. I got to carry those back over to them and say, okay, let's rework this a little bit. Okay, a lot of bit. Anyway, it is what it is. I don't know about you, but I don't deal with pain, and I have done stupid things, back when I was young and dumb. Put the cigarette between the arms and be stupid. I can deal with that. But the pain up in my teeth? Oy. I don't know. Maybe I just got old and can't handle it now. But, yeah. Teeth. Anyway, it is what it is. Sorry. Thirsty. That's what having a full belly full of food does to you. Makes you need some fluids in there to help settle it down. I'm going to try to do a few minutes of walking around after I get this here posted out and done. I'm still having issues with the way they where'd that thing go now? Hey. There it is. Yeah, this one here, yeah, it shows, yeah, the one on the iPhone just doesn't show right, but this one here is a lot closer to my numbers than what that one is. So, yeah, the iPhone, I don't like it. The two programs on it are synced up somewhere or another. They always show exactly the same. And yeah, I think they're, off, those two apps, because my count still comes up more like this one than that one, or those two. So it is what it is. Anyway, I got over there and got my vaccines checked, and yeah, I gotta take and get those. I'll be going in and getting my I'm gonna start my vaccine, get the first one will be, well, the first 4 together will be coming up in the end of the month. So pretty much all of June will have something happening where they're gonna stick me with stuff. But there's a couple of them that are gonna cost so much, I'm just gonna go get them when I get to the Philippines. Like rabies. They're wanting, what was it? I mean, seriously, this is ridiculous. They're wanting, for rabies, first dose, and 7 days later the second dose. And yeah, $493 for each dose. I mean, seriously? That's ridiculous. $1,000 for one vaccine. Well, $1,000 for one vaccine. We're getting robbed, but my insurance won't cover it, but yeah. That's ridiculous. And they got a couple of other ones here. They actually cover less vaccines than I have to pay for. There's like 5 out of 11 or 4 out of 11. That's just ridiculous. Yeah. I don't know about you, but we're supposed to have insurance that covers stuff, right? And then you get this and you find out that it doesn't cover much of jack. Yeah. Hey, the insurance companies are there for us, right? Puff, puff, and pass. Whatever it is you're smoking, you need to, walk away from it. If you think the insurance companies are there to take care of us. And I'm not even sure I'm wanting to get these dang vaccines. I mean, all the crap I'm hearing about what happened with the COVID vaccine and all the things that are causing that it's caused problems. I'm not sure I even want the old vaccines anymore. Hey, I just don't trust pharma. Big pharma is trying to kill us as far as I'm concerned. I'm quite honestly, I can't wait to get over there in the Philippines and be relaxed and just stop having to stress out over things. Because, yeah, there's just too much stress over here. Stress kills, and I'm tired of being on the firing line for all these things that are messing us up. And I'm kind of really missing having a garden in my backyard. That, can't help it. I like growing things. And I don't have any fresh veggies coming out of my backyard this year, which is horrible. Although it's just a couple of weeks away from the farmer's market kicking off. Probably should try to go down Saturday and check, see if I can get something from the farmer's market, see if anybody's starting early. Because I definitely need some fresh veggies. I'm feeling deprived. I don't know about you, but fresh veggies, grown local, don't have all the poisons and pesticides on them and such, is so much better. I saw a video a couple weeks ago about them running a bunch of ducks through a field, and they were out there, the ducks were out there, and they were there for straight up insects. Literally, they were there to protect the veggies from the bugs. Ducks eat a lot of bugs. And I mean, there was a couple thousand of them got run through this field, and it's just, they went out and just went to the other end, and yeah. We don't have a lot of ducks in the world. We don't have a lot of chickens out there in our garden. Don't get me wrong, there are some things that the ducks could do better than the chickens. Chickens will eat your tomatoes. Ducks don't. So, yeah. At least I've never seen a duck eat a tomato. But I shall have seen the chicken eat a tomato. Tear it up. Yeah. Anyway. I'm going to call it a day on this. I'm tired. I need to get me some sleep because I got to get back up and go do the evil W. And right now, I'm really feeling jealous of them kids. I really wish I could get charged up like they do off of next to no sleep. But I guess my old batteries just ain't running as well as theirs are. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Later, blessings, bye-bye. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you, my new subscribers, and all my previous ones, all 94 of you. Please, let's hit like and subscribe and comment and do all that fun stuff. Anyway, I'm Fish. Fish is out.